In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find wholesale dropshipping suppliers easily. Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to my channel. My name is Noah Minsis, and on this channel we talk about all things how to make money online. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how you can easily find wholesale dropshipping suppliers. Now, the common method that I will tell people is to actually just go to trade shows and you can source suppliers that way. Now, a lot of people just don't have the money, they just don't have the time, or they just don't want to go to trade shows. That's completely understandable, and today I'm going to show you how you can find all these suppliers without actually leaving the comfort of your own home or your office or wherever you're located. So the way that you can do it is you just want to source from the supplier exhibitor list or the vendors list, whatever you want to call it, on the actual trade show website. So whether it's from ASD, whether it's from NY Now, or any particular trade show that caters to the niche that you want to actually sell in, or niche, depending on however you say it. So what you want to do is you want to go to Wholesale Central. Wholesale Central is a wholesale directory. It basically links all of the retailers with the suppliers. You can make an account, it's free. So next what you want to do is you want to go to the trade show tab, and this is going to bring up all of the coming up trade shows. So you can also sort by category, you can sort by location, or you can sort from when these trade shows actually are. Now again, we're not going to be attending them. The only reason that we're doing this is to just learn the name of it, and then we're going to search up for the exhibitor list of that trade show. So here we have Halloween and Party Expo. So now that obviously tells us what they are catering to, and you can always search up by category. So let's say I wanted to do handcrafted. Now it's going to bring up all of the trade shows that cater to this particular category. So you'll see right here that we have a list of trade shows that are happening. Now what we want to do next is we actually just want to highlight the name and get the name of the trade show itself. So I'm going to use NY Now as an example because that's one that's actually really close to me, and that's one that I usually go to. So NY Now does basically they handle home and goods, home decor. That's the niche or the companies that will go there. So what you want to do is you want to search up NY Now exhibitor list. Or another common one is the ASD exhibitor list. ASD is the largest trade show in America. So you'll see right here that we have several options. You do not want to go to this one. This is just the regular website that's being advertised. They're paying Google to have it up there. So we have the exhibitor resources. That's not what we're looking for. We're not looking for the sitemap. You can use the sitemap. That will just show you all of the names of the vendors that are going to be on the particular area or the level. That's just a map of the area. That's not really helpful because we can't just Google it, or we can't just click on the actual company name to go to their website. But what you want to do is you want to find the exhibitors. So here we have the summer, here we have the winter, here we have the summer again. So what you want to do is you want to click on this, and now it's going to bring up a list of all of the vendors that attended that attended the winter NY Now trade show. So you'll here we have a list of every single exhibitor name. So now it gives us some information about them. It gives us whether or not like their price, category, and everything else. So typically, most of these people are going to be private labelers, manufacturers. They're going to be brand owners. And what they do is they attend these trade shows to meet retailers, typically brick and mortar people. And what they do is they want to actually sell their stuff to these brick and mortar stores to have it sold in their stores. Now, we are online retailers, internet retailers. That's the term that people go by. Most people don't call themselves dropshippers. If you're doing wholesale, it's better to just say that you're an internet retailer. A non-stocking internet retailer is a dropshipper. So again, most of these people are going to be private labelers, and in order to actually find out which one's dropship, you're going to need to go list by list by list, name by name by name. And I know it sounds tedious, but this is honestly the best way to do it. And there are thousands of different names. So another way that you can speed it up is you can just go ahead and look for ones that say wholesale in them, look for ones that say that, they list the category right here, so you can look at what they do. And you can just garner that and see which ones you want to check out. So let's say this one, I want to just see what they are. So it's going to pull up their page on NY Now, and then it should list their website. And then from their website, I can just click it, and then I can just look at their website and see if they do wholesale, see if they'll sell. So right now it's not actually loading quickly. So here we go. It's going to give me a little bit of a summary on their business. And it's, again, here it lists their website. So what you want to do is you want to click their website. And now it's going to bring us up to their page. And now really quickly, let's just see what they do. Now, typically, most of them, this looks to be a private labeler or just a manufacturer. Now, I don't think that this one's that they will sell wholesale, nor do I think that they will drop ship. But for everything, you know what you can do? You see right here, in the help and info, it says wholesale info and our retailers. That means that they do sell wholesale. So let's now click on wholesale info, and we can check if they will actually have a drop shipping program. So it shows the trade shows that they go to, wholesale customers. So here you'll see their wholesale website, or you can actually request a wholesale account. So what you want to do is you actually want to apply, or you can email them or call them, whichever one works, and you can actually ask them if they will. And remember, when you call them, to say that you're to be professional, be a business, and you're also going to ask if they will accept to work with non-stocking internet retailers. Say that you don't hold stock of the items and that you are looking to work with wholesalers that have a drop shipping program. Ask if they will be able to accommodate this. So after that, you're just going to go ahead and apply. You're going to provide all the information, and then you're going to submit with your questions. So now we're in their wholesale website, and it looks like they also just provide some information. So this seems to be their wholesale website, and after you get an account, you would just log in, and basically once you have an account, you can place orders, and then it looks, I don't know if they drop ship, but again, this is a wholesaler. So now you can go back to NY Now, and you can do this again. So you can just go list by list by list, and you can also do this. Now, like I said, you can do this for any single trade show. So let's say I wanted to do this for ASD. So you can go to ASD Market Week Exhibitor List. And then after this, you can go ahead and you can look up the exhibitor list right here. And then you're going to click on exhibitor list in Google, and it's going to bring up this. So you just want to click on the most recent one. So the most recent one was August of 2018. And then from there, it's going to bring up all of the exhibitors on the list for this trade show. And now most of these, again, are private labelers. Most of them are not going to be wholesalers, but you can find some really good companies. And the better part about ASD is that you'll see right here, noted by the little parachute icon, is that you can actually find wholesalers that drop ship. So the ones with these typically have drop shipping programs. So you can always contact those companies and ask them if they drop ship, if they have wholesale, if you can actually sell their products on eBay or on Amazon or on Shopify, whichever marketplace you are trying to sell in. Now, again, this is a great way to just find and source from different suppliers. So that's easy. Did it in 2 to 3 steps. You didn't have to pay to go to some directory. You didn't have to pay to get some list. No shade, no nothing. All of the lists are right here in front of you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new. I make videos every single week that talk about how to make money online, drop shipping, and e-commerce in general. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.